Hi, welcome back. So, Bay is going out of town, so we're going on a date tonight before he leaves. He's taking me to Better Than Sex. It's in Orlando. It's a restaurant in Orlando. I don't know if you heard of it. If you have heard of it, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm gonna find out what it's like tonight, and I'll let you know if it's actually worth the hype or not, because I heard it was kind of pricey, but it was worth it. But we'll see, because sometimes reviews lie. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is do my hair and my makeup. If you want to see how I get my date night look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here I'm just sectioning my hair off in the front, so that way I have a section to cover the back of the hair once I put the clip-ins in. And in the back, I'm just splitting the hair into two sections, and then splitting those sections into two sections to create two twists. So here I'm just using a spray bottle with some water in it, and using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner for each section, just to make sure that my hair is moisturized under the clip-ins. And here I'm just using a diamond brush to detangle before I twist. And then repeat on the next section with the water and Garnier Fructis, and then duplicate it on the other side. So here I finished each section in the back. I'm just going to use some bobby pins to clip the twist, so that way they're not hanging or in the way once I put the clip-ins in. So we finished the twist and clipped them up. So now we're going to take a section of the better length clip-ins. You want to go back and measure which clip-in strips actually fit the back of your head before you apply them, so that way it's an easier application process. And then you're going to use water and some more Garnier Fructis, and then you're going to twist those sections up as well. Alright, so I've gotten all the clip-ins in that I want in my hair. So now I'm just going to get some hair from the top section of my real hair to cover the clip-ins in the back, so you won't see the strip. And once you're satisfied with how well your hair covers the clips in the back, you're just going to wet that section with some water, apply the leave-in, and twist like you did before. now that the back section is complete, we're going to figure out how to style the front. So here I'm just doing some flat twists, just trying to lay my edges down, sis, you know, keep getting rushed or whatever, but you know, I'm still trying to be successful. Once you're done with that section, you're just gonna get a bobby pin and clip it up. And then what I did was, you don't have to do this, but I twisted that section up just to, you know, make it all blend together. So once edges are laid, you are going to get a scarf or whatever you can and tie your hair down. I'm telling you, if you don't do this and you're wondering why your edges are lifting, it's because you're not using a scarf. So here I'm just using the Milani Prime Perfection as a primer before I put on my foundation. And then I'm getting the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics and filling in my brows. So I forgot to show it in the video, but right here I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Press Powder and just applying that all over my face as a foundation. I prefer a dry foundation than the liquid. That's just me, but hey, everybody has a preference. And here I'm getting the Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow and bronzing my cheeks for them contour. And here I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette, and no, I don't know what color it is, but you know, just put some blush on my cheeks. And then here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color, I think it's Summer, because that is my favorite highlight, and like that's the only one that I pretty much use. And then I'm using NYX lip liner in the color Cocoa for a lip liner, duh. And then I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paint, and I forgot the color, but yeah, you'll see. And the makeup look is complete. Simple date night get ready with me video, and now I gotta finish my hair. Here I'm just applying the little hair jewels just to add some flair, you know, to the little twist. And then you twist the back sections. Be sure not to pull too hard because the clips will come out of your hair if you don't have them in there secured enough. So be very gentle and just kind of like try not to pull on the hair at all. almost done, you know.
So here I'm just fluffing the hair out a little bit more so that way I can get it to blend in the back a little bit better with my natural hair. And that is it. Y'all, I absolutely love these clip-ins. Like, they work for anything, period. And here I'm just clipping the back. This is how I actually wore my hair. And that's style number 2. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.